Hey, scholars, this is Mr. Pasillas, your fourth grade STEM teacher, and we're going to go ahead and review your Tuesday assignment. You're going to start off with this notice and wonder, and I want you to look at the image and write all the things that you notice and all the things that you wonder. And then I want you to come up with what do you think the question is? What do you think we can solve from this? And so, if I was you, I would look at some patterns. Maybe think about what we learned in class, or maybe learned yesterday. Is there anything that can help you solve that problem? I want you to go ahead and answer in a Flipgrid video response, and let me know how you solved your problem. Let's go ahead and move forward with our fifth grade standards, 5.nbt1. Um, so yesterday we multiplied a decimal, and from what I heard from you guys was that it was pretty easy. It was a lot easier than you thought. So today we are going to be dividing decimals. So if you thought yesterday was pretty easy, you're gonna think this one's easy too. So again, we're gonna look at our little anchor chart here, and this one, um, if we had, let's say we had ones and all of these. So we know if we had one and we move that 1 to the next value, that it would be moving up 10 times. So it'd be 110. And then if we move this 1 to the next value, that would move up 10 times 10, which is 100. So you would have 100. So as we're moving to the left, it is creating 10 times more. So today when we're dividing, for dividing, we are going to be moving to the right. So we're going backwards. So if I had 110, and I did 110 divided by 10, it would be 1. Or if I had 100 divided by 10, it would be 10. So it goes backwards. So one thing to kind of keep in mind, and if you can get this now, it's going to be pretty awesome. We notice that it decreases by 1/10 of a value. 1/10 is really, this little line right there that we see is really just a division line. So 1 divided by 10. Okay, so if you can think of that as a division, that's going to give you help you with your answers. Um, so when you think about if you have 1 and you're going past the decimal, 1 divided by 10 is going to give you 1/10. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply what we just learned to these questions right here. We have 4.26, so let's go ahead and plug that in. 4.26. Now, when we're dividing our number going to get bigger or smaller? That's right, our number is going to get smaller if we're dividing. If we're multiplying, we're getting more. If we're dividing, we're getting less. So if we're dividing, that means we're going to go to the right. So how many times are we going to move those numbers? Yeah, we're just moving it over one spot because there's 110. So we just move all these numbers. This 4 goes over here, the 4, and that goes over to the 2, and this goes over here. We add our decimal, and you are done. So your answer is 426 thousandths. 426 thousandths. Okay, let's try that again with this one now. So let's plug in our number, 4.26. So 4 and 26 hundredths. We're going to divide it. How many spots are we going to move over? Yeah, 2 spots, right? So you can look at the 2 zeros and know that we're going to move over 2 spots. So let's move this 4 over. 1, 2. So it goes 4.26. Oh, did you guys catch Mr. Pacisa's simple mistake? Yeah, we don't put a point there. We put our point here. Our point doesn't move with it. So because it's a little bit odd right here, I like to just add a 0 in there. And then now we know where it's at, okay? So um, let's go ahead and do the last one right here. So again, we're going to plug it in. 4.26. And Mr. Pacias saw he made another little simple mistake. Let's make that 1,000. Can we do 1,000? How many spots do you think we would move if we're doing 1,000? Yeah, we're going to move 3 place value spots. So if we have our 4 here, it's going to move over 3 spots. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and now it becomes right here. 4, and then we add our 2 and our 6. We can fill the rest in with zeros. Okay, so that's how you would do division to um, to your decimal numbers. So let me know what you guys think about this. Is it harder? Is it easier? Is it a lot easier than you thought it was going to be? Let me know how it goes, and make sure you set an appointment with me if you need some additional support, or make sure you sign up to meet with another teacher as well. Until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.